Do you know squid and octopus are not the same? Most people are confused. They think octopus and squid are the same, but no, they are not the same. So in my next video, I may show you how octopus looks like, because I have some in the freezer, and I'll show you how squid also looks like. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I clean my squid, and this is our number one protein that we eat in this house almost every day. We love it so much. Okay, so when cleaning your squid, if you want it to be easy for you, use warm water. As you can see, the water that I'm pouring on the squid is warm water. Okay, now after pouring that on the squid, I'll go ahead and remove the skin or peel off the skin, as you are seeing on the screen. Okay, it is so easy to make, and just try it. You will thank me later. So when preparing baby squid, we have baby squid. Those are very tiny ones. Okay, it is I find it very stressful when cleaning it. When cleaning baby squid, you see the tail that I'm peeling. Okay, that part most people do not eat it, because if you are peeling the tail, it wastes time. So I think that is the reason they just cut it off, or I'll show you how they do it as you are watching this video. Okay, so I'm going to peel off the skin for you again. I'm just repeating it so that you get used to it. My name is Lena, and thank you for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it. If you are new here, thank you. Please do not forget to smash on the red subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much. So after everything, I'm just going to show you something. Okay, when you want to remove it from the body, it is connected to something. So as you will see in the next clip, you can see it is connected. So just pull it or divide it and then pull it. I don't want you to see what will come out. That doesn't look nice at all. So now, how we peeled the skin from the body, it is the same way we are going to peel it from the head. So as you can see on the screen, this is so simple and easy. Please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Thank you so much. And if you're watching me from Facebook, do not forget to follow for more videos. It is free. I'll remove the eyes. That is the eyes that you're seeing. I remove the other one as well. So the head is also connected. Okay, so just pull it like that. But I'm going to cut everything. Okay, I will cut everything. So I was not even supposed to remove the eyes, because I cut everything from there. Okay, as you can see, everything is gone. So after I'm done with everything, we are just going to remove this part as well. I'm not going to eat it. It's not edible. Okay, so just remove that part, and then we proceed. You have to remove the skin that is left at that side as well. This is so easy to prepare, and it is so good. You can see those two are longer than the others. I'm just going to cut it so that it can be the same. So beautiful. When you go to the restaurants, this is how they cut their squid, and it makes it very presentable. You know, most of the restaurants, they use the squid to prepare maybe fried rice or something else, okay, than the one that we will use for kenke and banku and stew. So because we are going to use it to prepare our stew or use it for our kenke, I am not going to cut them like that, but I will share with you how I cut my squid. Sweetheart, are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much for your precious time. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, so that is the tail I was talking about, but I will show you in the next clip. Thank you so much. when you remove the other part, you make sure you flip to the other side to remove the other side as well, or to peel off the skin, okay, as well. It tastes so good, and I can't wait to share with you how I prepare it, how I use it for so many different kinds of recipes that you are going to love them. Thank you so much. Now, I couldn't finish everything that day. I left it in my fridge, okay, and when I woke up, the skin is off. Everything is off. I don't know why, but I will try it again and see that if you put it in the fridge, maybe the skin can be very soft or can be easily off. So that is what I was trying to tell you. You see, I've removed the tail. Yes, when it is baby squid, you just pull it and remove the tail and throw it away. There's no need for you to peel off the skin and then waste your time on it, okay. Now when you open it, you can see that the thing is not clean. There is a lot of thing in there, so that is why I open it. And this is how I cut mine, because we enjoy it normally with fried plantain. We use it to prepare stew and enjoy it with fried plantain, sometimes kenke banko with hot pepper. So this is how I cut mine. I divide it into 4, and that is it. So as you can see on the screen, this is how I cut my squid. Thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate it. Do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. You will love it. Now I'm done with everything. I'm just going to clean it very well with my lemon juice and salt water, and after that I will just let the water drain from it, and this is what we have. So beautiful and perfectly done. Try this and you will thank me later. Till I come your way next time, love yourself first, and you can't afford to miss the next upload. I love you. Bye bye.